I'm going to give you 5 healthy eating tips for fat loss and good health. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 5, base your meals on high fiber, starchy carbohydrates. Yes, I said carbohydrates. Choose higher fiber or whole grain varieties such as whole grain pasta, brown rice, or potatoes with their skins on. They contain more fiber than white or refined starchy carbohydrates and can help you feel full for longer. Try to include at least one starchy food with each main meal. Number 4, eat lots of fruits and vegetables. It's recommended that you eat at least 5 portions of a variety of fruit and vegetables every day. They can be fresh, frozen, canned, dried, or juiced. Getting your 5 a day is easier than it sounds. Why not chop a banana over your breakfast cereal or swap your usual mid-morning snack for a fresh piece of fruit? A portion of fresh, canned, or frozen fruit and vegetables is 80 grams. A portion of dried fruit, which should be kept to meal times, is 30 grams. Number 3, eat more fish, including a portion of oily fish. Fish is a good source of protein and contains many vitamins and minerals. Aim to eat at least 2 portions of fish a week, including at least 1 portion of oily fish. Oily fish are high in omega-3 fats, which may help prevent heart disease. You can choose from fresh, frozen, and canned, but remember that canned and smoked fish can be high in salt. Recommended types of fish include salmon, mackerel, cod, trout, and sardines. Number 2, cut down on saturated fat and sugar. You need some fat in your diet, but it's important to pay attention to the amount and type of fat you're eating. Too much saturated fat can increase the amount of cholesterol in the blood, which increases your risk of developing heart disease. On average, men should have no more than 30 grams of saturated fat a day. On average, women should have no more than 20 grams of saturated fat a day. Regularly consuming foods and drinks high in sugar increases your risk of obesity and tooth decay. Free sugars are any sugars added to foods or drinks or found naturally in honey, syrups, and unsweetened fruit juices and smoothies. This is the type of sugar you should cut down on rather than the sugar found in fruit and milk. Many packaged foods and drinks contain surprisingly high amounts of free sugars. Number 1, eat less salt. No more than 6 grams a day for adults. Eating too much salt can raise your blood pressure. People with high blood pressure are more likely to develop heart disease or have a stroke. Even if you don't add salt to your food, you still may be eating too much. About 3/4 of the salt you eat is already in food when you buy it, such as breakfast cereals, soups, breads, and sauces. Use food labels to help you cut down. More than 1.5 grams of salt per 100 grams means the food is high in salt. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to discover 5 signs you're not eating enough. That's it. That's all. See you next time.